Invest is like a universal language. If you were to go to anybody's product backlog anywhere and you were not to see story points next to it, it means one of two things. A, the team doesn't know about it, or B, it's not estimatable. So it's clearly not going to make it into the next sprint, and more planning needs to be done. Also, invest is a guideline to the approach. It's not a rigid map that everything needs to be fit into letter by letter. You see, if we make it to the end of a sprint and 80% of our stories can stand alone and can have an outcome, whereas 20% still need to be improved, then that's a great place to be. If we spend so much time wasted on trying to refine stories when we can instead leave it as is and move along, then that might actually be worth it. You see, in the company, we might waste way too much time trying to analyze exactly how to write it, when if you know the testable criteria and you know who will use it and you know what the intended outcome of stories are, then hallelujah. I find that sometimes when people don't understand the fundamentals, they look at this as like a rigid rule book, and then they see it as a thoughtless checklist, and they resort to not really thinking about this and seeing it as an impediment, which goes totally counter to what this is trying to achieve. So use this as a guideline, but ultimately don't let it stop you from thinking. Thank you.